So with the recent announcements of the Steam Machine, I thought it was the perfect time to do another giveaway. Our goal for this giveaway is to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube and 5,000 followers on Twitch. Once I hit those numbers, we're gonna be giving away this PC live on stream. It's very simple to enter. All you have to do is subscribe on YouTube, follow me on Twitch, and register on the site that I have in the description below, and that's it. I don't share your information with anyone. I own the site and I delete the data once the drawing is done. The only thing you must have is a US shipping address. So as far as the specs of this PC, it has a Ryzen 7 7700X, 16 gigs of DDR5, a 512 gig SSD, a tough B850E gaming Wi-Fi motherboard, and an EVGA 3070 Ti. It's all built in a Cooler Master Half 5 Pro. All in, this thing performs about 20% better than a Steam Machine and has the added benefit of being free. So good luck, and thanks for watching.